Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Sorry for the angle of the camera, but I was getting ready to film and show you this mesh shelf that I'm going to put together. So I wanted to show you how I was putting together. And if you see right back here, yeah, right there, I have this shelf that I had bought a while ago to put my labels and stuff that I use quite often. And I've been redoing my office, and I'm going to show y'all snippets of that or put it together because my filming is horrible, y'all. I'm going to work on it. I'm really going to work on that. But anyway, so I'm putting this shelf together, and I'm just going to share with you the process in case anybody else buys one of these shelves. And I'm hoping it is going to serve my purpose that I need. And that's really holding my printer paper, my labels that I get from Avery for my products and stuff. I'm hoping it holds together. So I'm done talking, and we're gonna get right into it. Okay, y'all, I got this mesh shelf, and I'm gonna take this off and show y'all first. So I got this shelf that I want to put together to replace these right here because, okay, y'all, so these are all the parts. This came with two. This is B, and then these are A. So you can see them here, and it got your screws here, and it comes with a screwdriver. So hopefully you can see everything all right. And I'm gonna pull out a little bit just to make sure you can see everything at an angle as I build it. Okay. So first thing is first, you take A and B. I think it says A and B. You take you take both B's and you put them together using these screws, and they have little holes here. So you can see it, and we want to put it together so it can not come apart. And I figured it's gonna be the perfect size for my my shelf here. I've been trying to get my Tim the Two-Man Taylor on. Y'all don't mind me when I say that, because I'm just showing y'all my age. You know, I ain't no little youngin', you know. I am a lady of a particular age, you know. So I'm just going to get this, put this on nice and tight here. They gave an extra screw, I guess, in case you lose one. But it's not bad. So far, it seemed pretty easy. At first, I had a time trying to get this a loose, y'all. I tell you. I just been slowly trying to redo my office, making it cost efficient because I am cheap, y'all. I ain't trying to spend a whole bunch of money because I tend to change my mind on stuff. So that's one part. See what I mean? This the part that be just blowing me. It's like, how the heck? Where they do that is at? Y'all hear that? I ain't even make no sense. Where they do that at? That's what I meant. How can I get this out of here? Yeah, the struggle is real. Where? How could this? How is this in here like this? I know it gotta be something easy. Let me take my time and look. Here we go. Yeah. Okay, it's been a day. It's been a day already. It's like, I don't know what day it is, but you just put this in the little holes here. And here I come on this side so y'all can actually see how I'm putting it together. It's easy, actually, once I get done fighting with everything. So as you can see, you got a hole here and you got a hole here, and that's on each side. So you take this part here, you just, on both sides, you just put it in. That is to make it stay so it won't move. And if you do like me and you are done fighting with these things, look at me, I did it today. Don't get it. Hold on. I'm just trying to pull it apart. Come on. This is the hardest part, is me fighting with these doggone shell things. I can't. Where? How? I'm trying to pull it apart. I know I'm unnecessarily making this hard, but I'm trying to figure out, why is this connected like this, and how come I keep getting stuck? There we go. Oh, y'all, I tell you, Making this hard for no reason. Don't judge me though, because I know I ain't the only one who done this stuff before. But once that's there, once you get it apart, these little baskets apart, it's easy. But it's the final thing. I could have been put this together. I thought it was gonna be hard. Well, after I got done fighting with these. But yeah, so yeah, now y'all see what it looks like. And here you can see holds up pretty good. I'm just gonna put let me show you my paper in here. So it's gonna go here. Just so it's easier for me to grab it, and I'm just gonna have it in order so I know what's what. But yeah, that's not bad actually. So okay. And again, I'm gonna show you what it's gonna replace. So it's gonna replace these. And the reason I replace them, you see how flimsy they are, or I probably got stuff too heavy. I feel like the mesh ones will be a little better, but yeah, we'll see. I just been slowly redoing my office a little bit. I got a video coming on this, and this might come out before you actually see this video, how I actually built this. The video was not that great, y'all. I'm working on it. I'm really working on it. So the video I did on this is coming out soon. I am working on that. Don't mind my mess. And y'all see, I've been struggling. If somebody drop in the comments why this is not Bluetooth. It's not wireless, so I have to use my computer, but I can't never line these up, if you can see. But that's another topic. Anyway, so yeah, this is amazing. I tried to get a shelf to put over there, and that's this right here. It was huge, y'all, and it wouldn't fit because I didn't take into consideration that my desk was curved, so it's too big for my desk, so I got to take this back and drop it off at UPS. But I did buy that shelf. So I'm building up because I have limited space in my office, but I'm building up instead of trying to, I got mess everywhere, y'all, but I'm organizing. It's going to be organized. Y'all just give me time because I'm making it happen. I'm making it happen. But yeah, we was on this stuff. So if you're looking to purchase one of these, the mesh shelf, I got it from Amazon. So I'll let y'all know. And if you get one, it might save you a lot of time. Hopefully I save you some time compared to how I was trying to put it together. It's very easy. But okay, I got it all situated. I got all my labels, my printer paper, more printing paper, which I need to have it more organized. So that needs to go down here and these needs to go over here. Card stock. So I have everything organized. My binder that has things in it. But yeah, and it's smaller than the shelves I had up there. So that's a whole lot better. Yeah, I like that a lot. These really don't need to be up there. This is my respirator mask. So I guess it do. So it's easy access. That's for my printer. I need to put that back next to my printer. That is for my ink refill thing. It's like a sponge thing that for Epson printers that you have to refill. So yeah, I'm gonna put that back over there because that looks really horrible sitting up there. But anyway, yeah, so that's how it look is from here to here. So that actually gave me some extra room back up there. But yeah,